Hello YouTube, welcome to new synth anatomy video and welcome to the NAMM show 2020. Of course, this is not the NAMM show, but my hotel room near the NAMM Convention Center. And I have something new for you. It's the new Moog synthesizer. Moog has announced today the Subsequent 25, the official successor of the Sub Phatty analog synthesizer with new features and improvements. In this video I give you a first look and some sound demos. Looking at the interface of the Subsequent 25, you can see that it offers two variable oscillators with the possibility to hard sync them. Then it has a mixer, included sub-oscillator and a noise generator. Then it goes in a classic Moog ladder filter with cutoff and resonance control. The developers reshaped here the gain staging in the ladder filter to boost the harmonic saturation and analog compression. The result is an overall richer low end. Also, the analog multidrive has been retuned that extend well behind original grid and growl of the Sub Phatty. Then it offers two ADSR envelopes with the option to add delay and hold to them via the editor. Further, it includes an LFO with different waveforms which can be routed to the pitch, filter or wave. The headphone amp also received an upgrade and works now better. The Subsequent 25 offers also a new semi-weighted velocity sensitive keyboard with a pitch band and mod wheel. Also new is the preset browser that offers now 16 presets in 4 banks of 4 sounds. I would like to see here more presets because 16 is a bit low for 2019. But you have also an editor as plugin and standalone, which allows you to manage the different presets. On the connection side, Moog has upgraded the synth with the feature set of the Subsequent family. It features besides audio in and outs on quarter inch and MIDI in and out, inputs for filter CV, pitch CV, volume CV, keyboard gate and a USB port. I hope you enjoyed my first look and sound demo of the new Moog Subsequent 25. In my opinion, it's a nice upgrade from the Sub Phatty, and also it's nice to see that it has now on the left and right side wooden side panels, so it's like now all the subsequent synthesizers. A bit shame in my opinion is that it doesn't have more presets on board, so like 64 or 32, and maybe also an arpeggiator or a sequencer. But nonetheless, for me it's a nice upgrade, and nice to see that Moog continues with the Sub Phatty but now as Subsequent 25. And let me know in the comments below, what do you think about the Subsequent 25? Do you like it, or what is your opinion? I would like to hear your opinions in the comments below, so let me know. And big thanks for watching, and hope to see you very soon in one of the next videos. Bye!